Aloha folks, and welcome to Kimo's No Grinds. Today we're going to be making fresh cranberry sauce. All it is a bag of cranberries that you can get at any grocery store, 1 cup water, 1 cup of sugar, in a probably just a 5-quart saucepan. So to get a 1 cup sugar, we're going to use this. This one you're really going to have to use regular sugar. You can't use a substitute just because it doesn't taste the same. If you want to do something different, when you make this, you can add orange zest. You can add pecans to it after you cook it. You can make it, something like that. That one's really good. So basically, it's 1 cup. Now, you can serve this hot or you can serve this cold. I like mine cold. But I grew up eating it hot. Okay, this is 1 cup sugar, like I said. People say, oh, that's too much sugar. But no, not really, because if you ever had cranberry sauce fresh,
it's tart.
It's very tart. So you do need this. So just measure 1 cup of sugar. Put it in a pan. I use filtered water. If you live where you live, it has good water, then you would need this filter, or filter saucepan. Okay. Also, the directions is on the bag of a cranberry bag. So the directions are on there. I know what it says, but this is how I do it, because this is how I was taught to do it in my informative years. So, put it like this. That's it. These. So stir it up a little bit, and that's what it looks like.
How long do you leave it there?
You basically do it until it boils. So depending on what you have, electric runs a little bit longer. Try for we'll do for 20 minutes. Well, no, it's probably too long. 15 minutes. And that's it, folks. Okay, folks, well, 15 minutes on medium heat, whatever stove you have. And this is actually what it'll look like when it's done. You have a good juice, and all the little cranberries have popped for the most part. And like I said, you can serve this hot. You just put it in a heat-resistant thing if you're going to do that. I like mine cold, so actually that's why I make usually a day before that we're actually going to eat it. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. Look for more recipes, and please send your recipes to me. I always like to cook some new things, and look forward to doing some other things. Aloha from Kimo's No Grinds. Aloha, folks. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for notifications. Aloha.